Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the SIM card in your Realme C31 version. For this operation you have to get your special utility key. It's something like that. Okay. And of course you have to get the SIM card in this size. So after you've got the key, go on the left side of your phone here and search for the little hole like this. Put the key into the hole and SIM card tray gonna be pick up here, and there is two places for the SIM card, 1 and 2, and there is a place for the memory card here. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna be put the SIM card here and put into your phone, and just wait until the phone gonna be read your card. Okay, I got the connection with my network here. Of course you can enter your SIM card in the next slot if you wish. For here there is a SIM card 2, and there is the same way the phone gonna be connected to your operator of the SIM card. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!